In the 20th century, Albert Einstein reshaped our understanding of gravity. He showed us that mass doesn't pull, it bends. According to general relativity, heavy objects deform the fabric of space-time, and lighter ones follow the curves, falling inward along invisible pathways called geodesics. This idea replaced Newton's force with geometry and gave science powerful tools to predict orbits, lensing, and time dilation. But for all its elegance, the Einsteinian model left behind a quiet contradiction. If everything with mass curves space and lighter bodies respond by falling inward, then over time, would the universe collapse into itself? There's no built-in regulator, no balance. To explain expansion, let alone acceleration, Einstein had to introduce a constant, and even then, gravity remained a one-way street. Heavier shapes lighter, and lighter simply obeys. In the 21st century, relative gravity introduces a different vision. Gravity is not a dent, it's a relationship. Every body radiates force through a field of impedance, like alternating currents exchanging energy. Attraction happens not from deformation, but from resonance when two systems pulse in rhythm across space. They don't fall, they connect. Here the universe is not held together by curves in a fabric, but by harmonic coherence. Gravity becomes a dance of balance, not a slope of collapse. Motion arises from relative equilibrium, where torque and resistance regulate one another. Instead of inserting dark energy to patch the gaps, relative gravity explains why expansion happens in the first place, because the universe breathes through interaction, not compaction. This new model restores the missing voice of structure. Light is not a passive traveler, but a radiant field, shaping reality as it moves. Galaxies are not heaps of matter, but toroidal engines, born from induction and bounded by constraint. Mass itself is memory, energy made coherent through time. This is 21st century gravity, not a fall, but a rhythm, not a bend, but a bond. Relative gravity does not replace Einstein, it equips his legacy. By introducing constructs like relative equilibrium, uniform relative force URF, and spatial induction engines, it enables new measurements across stellar systems and galaxies, resonance-based tools for a universe not merely curved, but alive with relational force.